Welcome to my new video. So in front of you today we will visit the about the my village. So here I discuss the about which types of people live here. So this is the Pakistan basically. So in front of you the mosque is under construction. You know that we are a Muslim, so this is the mosque. The work is start here. The people are collected a amount, a specific amount is collected, and the mosque is made. So this is the basically mosque where the Muslim prayers are 5 times a day. So this is the imam place where the imam stand here, and a backward a people stay here to perform a namaz. So we have a 5 times of a day: Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, and Maghrib and Isha. So this is a mosque. This is very beautiful, and the people, all the people collected our money, and we collect all these amount, and all the expenses here is made. So this is the basically a beautiful mosque is under construction. The beautiful green area. This is the janaza gah. When the people is died, here the namaz janaza are performed here. So in front of you, so this is the ablution area where the people wash their hands and feet to perform the namaz. So it is very beautiful. These are the washrooms where the people came here to go into the washroom needs and to for preparation of a namaz. So this is very beautiful. This is known as a speaker system where the 5 times azan performed here. So it is very beautiful. You know that these are the all the trees were grown by a local villagers. So in front of you, this is very beautiful and very atmosphere. The atmosphere is very neat and clean. So in front of you the people are sit here to enjoy the nature, to enjoy the beautiful weather. So in front of you, you just see the amazing scenes are here. So when the people are died and all the preparation is done in the mosque. So this is the backward area. I try my best to visit the front area. So this is the very beautiful and greenery area. People came here and really enjoy. So in front of you, so this is the front area. So when the flood came, it also affected this mosque. And so in front of you, the writing are mentioned here in Urdu. So these are the Quranic words. Written is known as a As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah, as-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Habibullah Jami Masjid Faizan. So this is written in Urdu. So this is the main gate of the mosque. They are mostly closed because the flood destroy everything is here. And these are the greenery area. So I visit you the most local places. So these are the way. So this road working correctly after the before the flood came. So in front of you, this is the very beautiful area. So I visit you the local farms. So in front of you, these are the beautiful pigeon here. They are looking so cool and beautiful. You just see that the beautiful and amazing pigeons are here. And this is the big dog. The dog is very dangerous. क्या हाल है मासी, ठीक है? अल्लाह का शुक्र, तो सब ठीक है? So this is very big. You just see the amazing and beautiful. Hey, mashallah. This is very good thing. All the gods are accumulated here. So this is the very beautiful. Huh? So in front of you the big gods are collected here. They are very beautiful. You just look like a beautiful, amazing scenes. Oh, mashallah. This is very big. Wow. It's very great. Wow. क्या माशाल्लाह, क्या टाइट है यार. So these are the collection of These are all the collection of sheeps. So these sheeps are very beautiful. This is the sheeps baby. They are all very beautiful. So in front of you, just amazing sheeps. So the local people are very kind. You just see that they enjoy all the things very clearly. You just see that. So these sheep are very beautiful. The god farming working very correctly. So the eating material is here. You just see the amazing scenes. A very big gods. मासी ने कुछ सिफारिश करो मैं के एक बकरी है वो कोई थी खड़ा थोड़ा यो थी वैसी वाल ना हिना को पूछो तो आगू पूछ गिने ना पूछे सी नंबर निसा बने अरे को आसी उमना कीते हां अच्छा माते मां को बगैर एक घंटे तनखा सही सही मेरे को बगैर कोई माल नहीं देता चलो उन्हें को पूछ गिने वाला है ना ठीक है मस्त so I hope you enjoy today vlogs. So this is very beautiful. So this is the local motors. So this is the basically a local motor where the people came here to enjoy to finish the concert. So just see the amazing scenes are here. So it's very great and very beautiful. So just see that. So we are here to enjoy this beautiful. These are the local villagers. So yeah, they enjoy our life in a great way. You just see the amazing scenes. Yeah. Great man, great. You just see the happiness here. They live a tension-free life. They live the amazing life here. I hope you enjoy today's vlog. Thank you so much. Stay safe, be blessed.